Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. Today I'm going to show you a product demo of a 32-inch touchscreen kiosk uh, with a 27-inch touchscreen area. And this touchscreen comes with toughened glass in front of it, so it is very robust. This is a capacitive touchscreen, extremely smooth to touch, and it comes with 10-point multi touch. You can use all your 10 fingers at once for the touch application. If we talk about the specifications of this kiosk, let us go to the system specifications. uh, Here I'll run you through the processor and other things. The processor is Intel Core i5 with 8 GB RAM and 64-bit operating systems, and you can see it is a touch support with 10 touch points, and it comes with the latest 22H2 Windows 10 Professional. Uh, the hard disk is 128 GB SSD and 1 TB hard disk, so it comes with sufficient storage. And if we talk about the performance of this kiosk, let's check out some applications and uh, to see how smooth the touch is. So this is a customized application for a museum in India. uh, so as you can see, these are the different options. Suppose we click on the animal which we want to see the more information. So this is the information on the touch screen. So the touch and responsiveness, the image quality, everything is extremely smooth and high resolution. So this technology is of touch is capacitive touch screen, which is the same as the technology used in modern day mobile phones or tablets. There is an older technology called IR touch, which usually many vendors in India provide. It is an outdated version of touch, and the in that case, what you have to do is, if you want to click somewhere on the screen, you have to there is a border, black border installed on the outside of the touch screen, and you need to get inside the border, and the border has X and Y sensors, and this is how it determines the point of contact. In this case, in the capacitive touchscreen, which is the latest technology, there are sensors all over the touchscreen, so it is very smooth to touch. For example, if we want to do double tap, the double tap on this touch screen is just a normal double tap like you do in a mobile or a tablet. In IR touch screen, what happens is, you have to go inside the touch area, then come out of the touch area, lift your finger away from the touch screen, and then you have to go back. In that way only the double tap can happen, because it cannot detect double tap of the finger if the finger is in the same sensor area. So talking about this touch screen, I'll show you some. As you can see, the video quality is the image quality is very crisp, and it has 178 by 178 viewing angle. So even if I go like this on the sideways, left or right, the screen quality is still the same and very clear. Okay, now let's check out some other applications. Let's check out the say let's check out a YouTube video. uh, so it has inbuilt speakers, 2 into 2 watt, so you can hear some sound. We'll play some audio, different audio as well. Okay. As you can see, the video quality is full HD and very sharp. Next, what we'll do is we'll check out say the audio quality. So this is a Bollywood song. You can check the audio quality. So it is possible, if this sound is too low for your application, then it is possible that we can install an extra speaker. We have in this design there is a provision for an extra speaker here next to this grill. So we can install an extra speaker here, and in that case it will be more than sufficient for any of your audio needs. Next, let us check out, say we can do the Wi-Fi settings check. See, this is a dual band Wi-Fi which we will supply you, and it comes with a 5 GHz plus 2.5 GHz. Can support both the routers, and it has very long range Wi-Fi support, say more than 15 meters or 50 feet. So even if the Wi-Fi router is very far away from the kiosk, you can still get a very good signal. If I show you the PC side, so this is the Dell Optiplex commercial computer. Here, if you want to switch on or switch off the system, you can do it directly from this button, power button over here. And if you want to plug in, say USB, external USB or audio jack, you can do it from here. And if you want to not expose this outside and make it vandal proof, we do have a lockable cover which comes along with this, and once you install that cover, no part will be exposed. And if you want to access the computer, you can do it from the maintenance door on the back side of the kiosk. So this is the back side of the kiosk. Will provide you a special key. Using that special key, you can open these 3 locks, and then you can get behind and do maintenance. You don't need to open any screws. It's all easy to do with the key which we provide you. And this is the mains power input. This is the cable which we give you, a standard 3-meter power cable. And this is a power switch, and this is the LAN cable inlet. So if you have a LAN cable, then you can just take your LAN cable and put it inside from here and connect it inside the computer. So this metal body is 1.6 mm mild steel. As you can see, it is very strong material, and center of gravity is very stable. So nobody can, some of the thin kiosk designs, there is a one drawback that if somebody pushes the kiosk, then it can topple over. So in this design, there is no such issue. It is very stable. Center of gravity is in the center, and it cannot topple. And it is very easy to move around. We provide you with 4 heavy-duty caster wheels in this kiosk. You can see this caster wheel. They come with brakes. So if you don't want to, if you want to keep the kiosk in a fixed position, what you do is you lock this. You lock this wheel. Once this wheel is locked, now you cannot move it. You cannot slide it. Same here. This wheel comes with a lock. So once I lock it, now I cannot move this kiosk. Okay. So that's it for today, sir. And hope you enjoyed this video, and do keep subscribed to our YouTube channel for more such product demos and videos. For any information about this product, please contact at the number mentioned in the link description. Thank you.